Here again in Twin Falls, Idaho on this fine Saturday morning, August 11th, 2018. We are here for the 2018 Summer Showdown here in City Park. And here we are, still have some new entries coming in every minute. And we're starting to get a pretty nice sizable crowd. As a friend of mine had commented, they are packing the exhibits rather quite tight this time, so it's going to be really interesting getting around, especially when it comes to doing some still photography and so forth. But we'll make it happen. We always do. We always find a way. So definitely having a wonderful time here. The temperatures are not too bad right now. It's still pretty cool in the AM hours. So I'd say this is going to be a wonderful show today, and we're just going to have a lot of fun. And hopefully get to meet some more fine people. I've already met a few and had a pretty nice conversation with some. So spirits are high. Looks like we've got smiles around, plenty to share. So let's, well, I guess let's wait and see what turns up as the day progresses. So here at Twin Falls City Park, Twin Falls, Idaho, Saturday, August 11th, 2018.